Hello, my name is Jason Lametta. Welcome to ExtremeGunCare YouTube channel.
EGC, Extreme Gun Care. We clean your guns.
Today we'll be talking about the Walther PPS.
Currently, the Walther PPS is made in the 40 caliber and 9mm.
This PPS 9mm, I just absolutely love it. I can conceal carry this 9 anywhere. And the 40 is just the same. Super easy to carry, nice and slim, I can put it anywhere. Now let's take it for a takedown.
Both Walther PPS 40 cal and 9mm comes in this hard plastic case. 2 mags, one mag has an extension and carries 1 extra bullet. Both pistols are 1 inch width thin and just over 21 ounces dry weight. For takedown, remove magazine and ensure the firearm is empty. Move slide slightly backwards. Pull down takedown lever, pull trigger and remove slide forward. Remove recoil guide rod assembly, then barrel. For reassembly, place barrel into slide, reinstall recoil guide rod assembly, place slide onto lower receiver and pull back. EGC, Extreme Gun Care. We clean your guns.
Thank you for watching Extreme Gun Care on YouTube.